Welcome to San Francisco! Straight from Las Vegas, Nevada. Another setup trip here in San Francisco. We're gonna explore this one. And yeah. First stop is Golden Gate Bridge. Going further down. Hangin B. Ito, literal na mahangin.
This is not like it when hotel and I went.
Pero swerte kasi sabi niya, usually foggy dito, pero it's kind of clear today. It hasn't blue. It's usually really foggy here. It's for my husband who's been here a lot of times. So we're really lucky today. We're just going down, further down, closer to the bridge. Doon kami galing, guys. Doon kami galing. Tapos naglalakad na kami pumunta.
Here comes the fog. See it?
Where's the fog?
Wow.
Hindi nakaka-extend. Yung ano dito yung hangin. Hindi siya nakaka-extend. Hindi siya nakakaganda. Oh, lakas ang hangin. Hindi na malimana. Ito na, hindi na malimana. Pero okay lang. Na kami sa ilalim ng part ng bridge. Doon kami nakita niyo yung puno doon na nag-iisa. Doon kami galing. Tapos nandito na kami ngayon. Iko-cross namin to. Pag nakita niyo to, yan. Yan na kayo sa ilalim. We are under the Golden Gate Bridge. So ito siya. We just crossed it. See? This is what I'm saying, you guys. It's already foggy. Hindi na makita. You cannot already see the Golden Gate. Paambo na rin. It's already drizzling. So we're gonna go back to the parking area because it's not safe here. It's safer in New York. Didn't you say it's safer in New York than here?
There's more cash and grabs in California.
Yeah, there's more cash and grabs here. So we're gonna go back real quick. Let's go. The reality of Golden Gate. Wala na kayo makita sa likod. Balik na kayo park. Sobrang hangin. Hangin sa labas. Oh, natasip ko yung away ko.
Come check us out. It's free to look. It's free to look.
Aba, hinarangan pa oh. Oh. Ay!
We can eat somewhere there.
This way? This way.
Te lo puedes dejar allá. Atrás ahí.
Set of houses that present a stereotypical San Francisco residence, and it's seen through different sitcoms, especially Full House, which made it popular, which is a sitcom in the 90s. So that's what people normally think of when they haven't been to San Francisco, and that's the one thing that they know of, aside from the Golden Gate Bridge.
Yeah, Painted Ladies.
It's in the theme song for Full House, along those two, Golden Gate Bridge and Painted Ladies. Especially they're here in Alamo Square, just having a picnic, I think.
Yeah.
Forgot, it's been a while since I watched Uncle Jesse.
But just be careful because
This is a well-known location for smashing glass,
Yeah.
according to Google.
Ingat lang tayo mga Jai. Kaya yung si Mami nandun sa car. Dito yung daan. Kaya si Mami nandun sa car, may naiwang isa. Salitan kami for the video and picture. How is it driving in
I've done this before. Grand Theft Auto.
Grand Theft
San
Auto?
Andreas. Yeah, I did this even before I had my driver's license. LA, San Francisco, and Vegas.
And your instructor was
What is myself? Carl.
Eh.
It's Carl.
in Grand Theft Auto.
Yeah, the character's name is Carl.
We are lining up for the cable car and approximate wait time is 60 minutes. It's already, what time is it? 3:50. We're kind of late, so we have to deal with the consequences. But it's chilly, so it's nice to wait. And here's the information about the cable car. We downloaded the Uni mobile app and we bought a day pass there worth $13 for 24 hours. You can ride any cable cars, shows, and trips there. And this is additional information from their ticket sales.